Hey, it's Ben here. Getting cash back is great because it's free money, and the more money you have, the more opportunity there is for you to even make more money. I mean, who doesn't like free money? So if you're looking to open a new credit card and want to optimize your cash back, you might just want to consider the cash back percentage rate and their sign up bonus. And if you're like me and don't want to pay for those annual fees just yet and want to maximize your reward, this video might just be for you. I'll give you a few examples and break things down in terms of numbers just so you know which one really gives you the best bang for your card. And this is a comparison between the 1.5% cashback cards with a sign-up bonus and the 2% cashback cards with no sign-up bonus. And generally speaking, 1.5% cashback cards will entice you to sign up by throwing in a sign-up bonus that's usually around $150 if you spend a certain limit within a certain time frame. If they don't give you any bonuses, you're just better off getting that 2% cashback card, and generally speaking, that 2% cashback card don't really have much of a sign-up bonus to begin with. So for the sake of simplicity, I'll just say that they give you no bonuses. So let's jump right onto my screen so I can show you which card will be the best choice for you. So on this screen here, I've already made a chart to speed up the process. What you see here is that I have a 1.5% cashback column and a 2% cashback column. For the 1.5% cashback card, let's say you've already spent the required amount that they want you to spend in a certain time frame to get the sign-up bonus, which is probably around $150. And let's say you got that $150, which is listed in the beginning of year one. And again, don't try to hit the requirement by spending on things that you don't need. The purpose is to charge things on the card that you're already going to spend, or maybe about to buy some big purchases that you're already going to buy anyways. And that's how you're going to make that extra money. Also, I'm just going to start making these calculations once we get that bonus, which in this case is $150. Now, there's not much to show here on the graph because I have my monthly expenses as a 0. As you can tell, if you want some free money, you can just simply open up a credit card and get that bonus and you're done. Mission accomplished. But of course, that's not the case because we're trying to get some more free money here. And I do like extra money. Now, everyone is different and has different expenses. So I'm just going to use myself as an example. I would say that if I had to average it out, my monthly expenses would be around $500 a month. By typing $500, this is what I get. On my 1.5% cashback card for the beginning of the year one, I would start out at $150. And for the beginning of year two, I would have $240. This is basically the cash back that I'm getting in total, and it's just accumulating over time if I don't pull my money out. And here's the formula that I used if you guys are curious, and here's the 2% formula that I use if you guys are curious as well. Notice how my break even is around year 6. Now I have to consider if it's going to take me that long to break even, I might as well just take the 1.5% cash back because I get my $150 immediately and I could use that to buy things that I want because I don't have to wait 6 years to get to break even, because in 6 years things could change. Now let's say you don't have $500 a month in expenses. Let's say it's $100. If that's the case, notice that these lines don't cross. If that's the case, just take the $150 bonus or the 100 or 1.5% cashback card, because you'll just get the money and you're never gonna hit break even anytime soon within this 11 years. Now let's say you're at $300 a month instead. You're gonna break even over 9 years, so might as well take the $150 bonus. So, but let's say now you have $1,000 in expenses. The break-even point will be between year 3 and 4. Now, this depends on you if you want to wait 3 years or so to be able to make that additional benefit. Now, if you're spending over $1,000 a month in expenses, then take the 2% cashback card, or maybe considering opening both of them. But if you're spending over $1,000 a month consistently, you're probably not watching this video and you've already have other methods of maximizing your rewards, because there are other great cards out there to get more than 2% cashback if you're spending over $1,000 per month. But if you want to know more, my other videos will help you to maximize your credit card rewards. So the best way to gauge this is if your monthly expenses isn't over $1,000, then your best bet is to just get the 1.5% cashback card with the sign-up bonus that has the $150. Because if you compare it to the 2% cashback card, it's going to take over 3 years or so to break even in terms of your cashback. So 3 years from now, things could change dramatically. By then, your living situation might change. You might open other cars or even be in the military. Who knows? Might as well just lock down that $150 bonus now and enjoy it rather than waiting to build up down the road. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you like this, maybe consider subscribing, as I will talk more about credit cards, real estate, finance, and other money related topics. And I'll catch you all next time.